What if I told you the secrets to wealth were discovered thousands of years ago in the ancient city of Babylon, and they still work today? Yes, Babylon. The richest city of the ancient world. Behind its mighty walls lived traders, craftsmen, and farmers who built incredible wealth. How did they do it? Not through luck, not through miracles, but through simple rules of money. That's what George S. Clason shares in his timeless classic, The Richest Man in Babylon. Instead of charts and jargon, he tells short parables, stories that speak to the heart and stick in the mind. And the message is simple. Money isn't mysterious. It's not reserved for the rich. It's a tool anyone can master if you learn the rules. The story begins with Arcad, once just a poor scribe. He worked hard but always stayed broke. Sound familiar? One day, Arcad made a choice. Instead of staying in poverty, he sought wisdom. He asked the wealthy men of Babylon, "How did you build your fortune?" He listened, applied their advice, and over time became the richest man in the city. And here's the awakening. Wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you earn. Think about it. Some people earn big salaries but are always in debt. Others earn modest incomes but slowly build wealth because they manage their money well. The difference isn't income, it's discipline. Arcad taught his friends 7 simple rules. Rules that built Babylon's wealth and can build yours too. 1. Pay yourself first. Every time you earn, keep at least 10% for yourself. Don't save what's left, because there's never anything left. Save first, spend after. 2. Control your expenses. Wants are endless. Learn to live below your means. The secret of wealth is not spending everything you make. 3. Make your money work for you. Saving is good, but investing is better. Let your money earn more money, just like planting seeds that grow into trees. 4. Protect your wealth from loss. Beware of quick schemes and empty promises. Invest only in things you understand and seek advice from the wise. 5. Increase your skills. Your ability to earn is your greatest treasure. The more skills you build, the more doors of opportunity open. 6. Plan for the future. Think ahead. Build streams of income that will support you in old age and secure your family. 7. Avoid debt. In Babylon, debt was slavery. Today, it still is. Don't borrow for things that vanish. Use debt only if it builds wealth. Now imagine this. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. A part of your income is always yours, saved, invested, and protected. Over time, your money grows, multiplies, and one day works harder than you do. No more stress when bills arrive. No more fear of debt collectors. Instead, you have peace. You walk with confidence because you know your financial house is solid. That's the freedom Babylon offers. Not greed, but freedom. Freedom from fear, freedom from debt, freedom to live life with security and purpose. And here's the best part. Anyone can do this. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need $1 million salary. You just need to start today. Save a little. Spend wisely. Grow your money. Protect it. The walls of Babylon have fallen, but its wisdom is still alive. The only question is, will you follow it?